Hey, good morning, guys. I think I'm audible to you, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good
Good
morning.
morning, sir.
Very good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Okay. Meanwhile, few other folks are going to join. Any updates on the assignment that we have done? Did you complete it from your end? Keep that aside if you received drive link or not. But did you completed that?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Any queries?
No, sir.
Who is that who completed this one?
Arun, sir.
Or rest all? Remaining any other persons who completed the task?
Yes, sir. Completed.
Completed. Okay. Okay. Who else able to share the screen? I don't know even I got the permissions or not, but let me check if I can get. I can give you. I don't think so. Still I get this one. Okay, fine. Only two. What about rest?
Hi, sir. Good morning.
Good morning.
Sir, I already shared my assignments to Raghava sir.
Okay, to your lead you have shared. Huh?
Yes, sir. I don't
Okay.
have any laptop. That's why I shared my assignments to Raghava sir.
Okay, fine, fine. I'll get that from your leads.
Okay.
Once I get it, we will take up for that review. So even what about the remaining people? 3 done. Any other? Only 3 folks completed. What about the remaining people?
I also completed, sir.
Okay, 4 completed. Let me call out the names. Chandrakumari
Sir.
Punupati completed your assignments.
Yes, sir. Completed.
So how many you have completed out of
4,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4 completed
Yes, sir.
out of 8. So what are the remaining 4? Why we have blocked? Any questions in that, or are you able to move forward?
No, sir.
No. What is the meaning of no? Don't you have questions, or you are not able to move forward?
Sir. I don't have any questions.
Then you'll be able to complete the remaining 4, right?
Yes, sir. Today I will complete my remaining work.
Yeah, okay, fine then. Next, go to Drukmalli Manasa. What about you?
I have completed 4, sir.
Okay. What about
Remaining
remaining 4?
completed today, sir.
Okay. Devi Divya.
Sir, I actually don't know what the assignments are as I was absent on Friday.
Okay, fine. I'll share those things today to you.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Harika,
Yes, sir.
you completed, huh?
Mm, I completed 7 assignments, sir.
Okay.
I already shared to Raghava, sir.
Okay, fine then. I'll get it from him.
Okay.
Okay, one more pending thing, huh? Which one?
Yes, sir. Compose to email and Gmail, sir.
Okay, why? Any questions in that, or will you be able to complete that as well?
Okay, sir.
Try to complete that as well. If you have any questions, let me know.
No, sir, but
Mm.
I
Whenever you
tried
have that,
some points, sir. I tried
no,
some point, but
I understand. So whenever you have that possibility, make sure you are going to do that assignment as well.
okay, sure, sir.
Okay, Konanki Chandu.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I have completed 3, sir. Remaining I want to do, sir. I will complete today, sir.
Okay. Why
Thanks.
why we have pending any questions or any time constraint that we have? Only 4, 3.
Sir, I have a work in my
Okay.
grandmother in hospital, sir. So
Okay,
that's all.
okay, fine. So make sure you are going to complete that remaining
Yes, sir.
5. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, then over to Koteshwara Dulipala.
I have completed only 2, sir.
Only 2.
Yes, sir. Today I will complete, sir.
What are those?
Today I will complete, sir.
That's fine.
Okay.
Am I audible to you now? Am I
Yes.
audible? Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
So, okay, Koteshwara Dulipala. So, what are the 2 that you have completed?
Facebook, sir. Facebook login. UPI payments.
At the end, Balabhargavavla. So, why you are not responding? I'm not sure. Am I audible to you or not?
One.
Okay. Good morning.
Sir, I have completed my Facebook login, Facebook change password.
Okay.
Facebook sign up and product to buy online.
Okay.
UPI and fraud, sir. Debit card or credit card.
Okay. How many? 6?
Uh,
7?
5.
You Facebook login you have completed.
Yes.
Then you have completed change password.
Ah.
You have completed purchase a product through UPI debit card.
5, sir. Okay.
Another one, 4 done. Another, what is the final 5th one?
Yeah, today I will have that submitted.
No, what is the 5th one that you have completed?
This one sign up, sir. Facebook, sir.
Okay, sign up. Fine. Madhavi. Madhavi. Are you there? Nagaratnam Kalyanam.
I have completed, sir.
All completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Pooja etla?
Sir, only 3 I completed, sir.
Okay, what are those?
Sign up into Facebook, change password change functionality in Facebook, and online payment using UPI.
Okay.
Sir, today I'll complete, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Pravallika Ejigiri.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I have completed only all.
Okay.
Remaining I will do.
Okay, fine. Please go ahead and
Thank
complete it. Yeah. Ramesh Venkata Konka.
Hi, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
I have a 4 completed, sir.
Okay.
Remaining 2 days completed, sir.
Okay. Sahita.
Good morning, sir. I had completed all the tasks.
Okay. Okay. Maybe we'll try to gather those things to get those documents to me. Okay. You can talk to your lead or you can talk to your representative so that you can share those things to them. I'll get those documents for review.
Yes, sir.
Okay. By the way, Ramesh Venkata Konka, what are those 4 that you have completed?
Sign up for into Facebook, sir.
Okay.
Log into Facebook.
Okay.
Compose new email and Gmail, sir.
Okay.
Using UPI payment, sir.
Okay. Fine. Then Sri Krishna Divala. Sai Krishna Divala, sorry.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, I have completed Facebook sign up, sir.
Okay.
And login.
Okay.
And how to buy a product, Crocs in online.
Okay.
And I have completed the debit cards using, sir.
Okay.
That 4 I have completed, and the remaining I will comment and I will share it through the links.
Okay, fine.
Sir, and one more, we have not received the link also to upload, sir.
Yeah, I had a conversation with them, but that link has to be provided by your leads or by the HR, not from the admin end, which I had a conversation with them. That's the reason few people have shared their documents to their leads. Maybe that will be the process that we have to follow. Today we will get that confirmation, but still if you have any documents that you have already prepared, we can share those documents to your lead. Maybe they are going to upload it to Drive, I guess. So that's what they are going to follow. Okay. Okay. And intimate them saying like these are the assignments which we have to forward it to the faculty for their review. So you can tell them at the same point so that I can receive the documents maybe to the end of the day or tomorrow. At least I'll try to get those things. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sure.
Okay, fine. Over to Sirupa Saket.
Sorry.
Your voice is breaking. It's not audible clearly. No, your voice is still not audible clearly. It's breaking completely. Okay, I'll come to you. Make sure your network will be stable. Sri Chandana Yadav.
Good morning, sir. Completed, sir.
You have completed all the tasks?
Yes, sir.
Okay, share it to your lead so that I can get it for review.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Suman Yadav.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
I don't have a laptop, sir. So
Okay.
I watched some videos on YouTube. I will do next 2 days, sir. Give me a time.
Okay. I think Sri Chandana Yadav, your name is displaying 2 times. Not sure whether you have connected for 2 missions, or I don't know whether it's a different person.
No, sir. I connected with only one laptop.
Device. I don't
Yes.
know. I'm seeing 2 times. Okay. Eram Shetty Vamshi Shivagopi.
5 completed, sir. Rest of
Sorry?
the not completed. 5 completed.
You completed all the things?
No, 5, sir.
5 completed. What are
Rest of
those?
3 was not completed.
What are those 5 you have completed?
Yeah, sign up into Facebook,
Okay.
log into Facebook and update the profile information and save it. Change the password functionality in Facebook.
Change the password. Okay.
Yeah. How to purchase a product in online by using the UPI payments. How to purchase a product in online by using a debit card and credit card and everything.
Okay.
This 5 I completed, sir. Rest of 3 was not completed. By the end of the
Only
day,
4 you said. Sign up, edit information, purchase a product through UPI, purchase a product through debit and net banking, debit or net banking. What is the 5th one?
changing password functionality, sir.
Okay, 5th one is change password. Okay. Okay, fine.
Rest of 3 was not completed. By end of the day, we completed.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Okay.
Yanamala Pratyusha.
I have completed all, sir.
All okay. Share those documents to your lead.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so that we'll get it for review.
Okay, sir.
Back to
Thank you.
Sirupa Saket. Sirupa Saket. Yes, go ahead. Still not able to hear. Maybe you're on mute. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Back to Koteshwara Dulpala. What are those you have completed?
I have completed Facebook login and payments or credit card, debit card.
Both
And
payments you have completed?
Yes, remaining today will complete. Today evening.
Okay, Madhavi.
Sorry, sir, I didn't attend the classes from last 3 days.
Okay.
Should I go
fine.
through with recordings? Then I will
Okay.
send.
Okay, I'll share those assignments to you and Devi Divya. And then
Okay, sir.
O
Thank
Arun
you.
Kumar, you already said you have completed. O Arun Kumar and Arun Kumar both same,
Sir.
right? One plus not two, 5G. Who is this guy?
So Pradeep sir.
Your name, please.
Pradeep sir. My name is Pradeep sir.
Punit.
No.
Okay.
Pradeep sir. My name one plus not two is Pradeep sir. Hello.
Sorry, your voice is not clear.
Pradeep sir. My name is
Pradeep. Okay.
one
Okay.
plus not.
Okay.
Sir, I have completed.
No, you have completed. How many? What is that? You're on mute, I guess. I think Pradeep, you're on mute, Pradeep. I didn't listen what you said. How many you have completed and what are those?
Hello.
Yeah, go ahead.
Sir, I have completed 3, sir.
Okay.
Sign up Facebook.
Okay.
Change password the Facebook, sir. Compose to new mail, the Gmail email and in Gmail, sir.
Okay.
That's it. That's it. I have completed.
Okay.
I have only 3 completed, sir.
So when will be the plan to complete
Today,
remaining?
Today completed, sir. Remaining 4 is completed today, sir.
Okay, fine. Go ahead and complete and let me know.
Okay.
Okay. Let me share my screen. By the way, what are the challenges that you have faced? I don't need the explanation of the test cases. I need what are the challenges that you have faced. But most of the folks have completed only 2, 3, 4 count only. 2, 3, 4, and 5. I don't know. Maybe because of time constraints and other works, you have that pending items to be completed. Take your time. I don't say like 1 day or 2 days or 3 days, but still as early as possible, if you can complete, we can move forward to the next concept so that it will be clear for us to understand how the test cases can be designed. But still there are a couple of folks who has not attended the session last Friday. For those people, again, I'm sharing my screen. These are the tasks that I have given. Okay, sign up into Facebook. Let me ping these questions into the group again. You can just copy from there. Devi, Divya and Madhavi, right?
Sir, yes, sir.
Yeah, so these are the queries that I have given. Maybe I don't know whether you have whether you are aware of designing the test case or not. As you mentioned, like you have not attended the session from last 3 days. You can just go through the videos, recorded videos, and if you have any queries and all, let me know. Or else what you can do is to sign up into Facebook. That means if you want to create an account into Facebook, what are the steps that you are going to follow? List down all the steps at least, if you are not aware of designing the test case. But I hope Devi, Divya know how to design the test case. So please go ahead and design these assignments, design test cases for these assignments. Okay, so next one, there are a couple of interactive sessions that I want to complete. I want to take up in this session today. The first one is, most of the folks have designed the test case related to how to purchase a product in online using UPI payment. I don't know why you have taken up this task and why don't you complete this one, debit card, and both are same flows, right? Any specific reason why we haven't take up both the tasks? Anyone, those who have completed only UPI payment and not completed this one, or else those completed debit card and not completed UPI. Both are I can say most of the steps, whatever you are going to design for UPI payment, you can copy most of the steps to this one, debit card or credit card or net banking. Only thing, at the payment options, whatever the option that you have selected, that will be differed. If you select UPI payment, it will ask you to select the UPI app. Once you select the UPI app, it will navigate to that particular application and you can do the payment. For this one, if you select debit or credit or net banking, so it will ask you to enter the login details to complete the payment process, right? So only there are a couple of steps at the end of the test case will be different. Rest all the steps remain same. Analyze it before going to design the test case. What are all the possibilities that we have to design it? If you can understand that kind of criteria, it will be very easy for you to design a test case. It won't create any complications for you, or it will not give any tough job. Okay, one person design a test case related to this one by Crocs handle in online. Who is that? Who is that? Is it Vamshi Shivagopi or Suman Yadav? Are you there? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Vamshi Shivagopi, right?
Sir. No, sir.
Who is that? One person said he has designed this test case. Sai Krishna Divala. Pradeep, I think you are doing something on your mobile screen where I'm getting some arrow marks and all. Sai Krishna Divala. Am I audible? Can we stop the session if you guys are not interested?
No, sir.
And then
No,
if no one is responding, means how can I know? Okay. Who said this one is completed? I need that person. It seems to be Sai Krishna Divela. I'm guessing, I don't know. Okay, fine, leave it. Then go to Srinivas. Srinivas, how many you have completed in this list and how many are pending? Srinivas. Srinivas. Any problem in giving response, or what is the problem, guys? Okay, anyone is ready to give this demo? How to purchase a product in online, especially this particular brand? Pravalika, Arun, anyone? I just need the steps what you're going to follow to purchase this product.
I was
No,
done that in Flipkart, sir. In
any
Flipkart,
application is fine. Doesn't matter which application it is. We need the steps. That's it. What are the steps that you have followed?
just a minute, sir. I can explain by see. The prerequisites for it is the application should be up and run, sir,
Mhm.
and the user should be able to access the application in a specified browser,
Mhm.
and the user should have Flipkart account.
Mhm.
And the test description should be open the browser and pass the URL. Enter valid details like phone number or email or password. Click on login button. Expected results. The application should be navigated to shopping page. In shopping page, search for a product like we are given a brand set.
Mhm.
Select among the models in that particular brand.
Mhm.
The model should be displayed. Check for the features like size, color, and specifications, and delivery date, payment methods, and rating and reviews. Then click on buy now option.
Mhm.
The page should be navigate to order summary. The page should be navigate to order summary page. In order, coming to test description, in order summary page, there should be like price detail, discount, delivery charges, and total amount, what the user saves. And the price, delivery charges, discount, total amount should be displayed in expected result. Click on continuous. Payment page should be open. In payment page, you can use any of these payment methods and you can place an order, sir.
Okay. Can you please let me know what are the first 2-3 steps that you have mentioned?
Open the browser and pass the application URL. If you are using in web application, I'm talking.
Okay.
I'm not talking about app.
Okay.
Enter valid details like phone number or mail or password. Click on login button.
Mhm.
Application should navigate to shopping page.
Mhm.
In shopping page, search for a product.
Mhm.
Search for the brand.
Okay. That's it. Okay. First time when you said like name, all those things, right? So that's the reason I just want to confirm what are the steps that we can follow here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next.
If we share screen, that can easy to understand you and sir.
I need to get that permission, so I'll try to get it maybe by next session
sir.
at least,
Thank
because
you,
that
sir.
will be setting at the admin portal itself, that I'll try to get it. Okay. And next one, how to save or upload a document to Google Drive. Anyone, not from Arun, anyone. Devi Divya, can you try?
No, sir.
No try. Okay. Bala Bhargava, Aula.
No, sir, I have not done.
What is that?
I have not done, sir.
No, I didn't ask you whether you have completed. I'm just asking you, can you explain what are the steps that you are going to follow here?
Sir, I will give one time.
Okay, take your time. Konanki Chandu. Try. Can you try?
So next time I will.
Okay. Harika,
Yes, sir.
can you try?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, go ahead.
Test descriptions of first select the document.
You can just go with the steps, whatever the flow that you want to tell. Don't say test step 1, number 1, 2, all these things. Just let me know what are the steps that you are going to follow.
Yes, sir. Select document, go to upload option,
Mm-hmm.
then select Google Drive,
Mm-hmm.
click users Google account,
Mm-hmm.
click on save, sir.
That's it.
Yes, sir.
Great. I expect a lot of steps here. Okay. Yeah.
Next time I will try, sir.
Yeah, try it. Nagaratnam Kalyanam, can you try? Pooja Edla. Nagaratnam Kalyanam, go ahead.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Click on the Google Drive, sir. And we have the upload option like plus, and we will click on that. And whatever we want to upload, just click on the upload button. And if you want to upload like data, images, or documents, whatever we want, we click on that and we can upload into
Okay.
Google Drive.
What is the first step that you said?
Click on the Google Drive, sir.
Suppose I am the new user, I don't know what it is. So what I need to do? Can I search for Google Drive icon to click on the desktop itself?
No, sir. Have to log in.
Those steps we have to include.
Okay, sir.
Open browser and navigate to the URL. Enter the URL. Log into application. Enter username. Click on next. Enter password. Click on login. After login, the user will have 9 dots at the top right corner before the user profile. Click on that, select Google Drive. The page will navigate to the next tab. In that Google Drive tab, user will have an option to create a new folder, or user can directly upload the document. Click on upload, select the document, click on open. The document will be uploaded to Google Drive. So all these steps we have to carry whenever we are explaining the steps. Okay. That's what, again, I'm reminding you, test case is not a simple document. Test case is a document where you are navigating or you are guiding the end user how to execute the functionality, how to deal with the functionality. That's the importance of test case. If you can start, if you are going to start the test case at the mid of the functionality, users will not be able to understand. Each and every basic step has to be provided.
Okay.
Right? Okay. I think one new person like Uday Kiran Reddy. Is this a first session or you already joined? Uday Kiran Reddy. Okay, Ramesh Venkata Konka, can you go with this one? Compose new email in Gmail. Instead of this, can you please explain me compose a message in Facebook application? Facebook. Ramesh Venkata Konka.
I will next time, sir.
Okay.
Present to Facebook login.
You completed login. Okay. Pravalika Ejigiri, can you try?
No, sir.
Okay, Pradeep. Pradeep Reddy. Fine. What I understood is you are still at the first step of understanding test case. Okay. Why don't at least you are not coming forward to give a try on explaining the test steps? Why? Generally, these are the regular applications what you are using, correct? These are the regular cases what you are going to do. How you are going to send a message to your friend in Facebook, right? It's a regular, very normal application that you guys are going to use regularly, right?
Yes, sir.
It's a very basic application that you are going to do. What are the steps that you are going to send a message by using that Facebook application is the question. Instead of explaining it in a paragraph format, test case is something like where you need to explain it in a stepwise format. What is the complication here? So any complexity that you are facing while designing these test cases? Any complication? Are you not able to understand the concept when we discussed? Still, do you have any questions? At least try to respond these questions, guys.
No question, sir.
Are you able to understand? Am I moving fast or slow? Or do you want me to repeat the concept again? What are the queries that you have?
What you are teaching is perfect, sir. As my point of view, there is no slow and no fast. It is a medium.
Okay, thank you. What about the
I can-
rest?
Nothing, sir. You can do that.
What about the remaining folks? What about the remaining people?
Nothing, sir. You can go ahead.
Fine. Jyoti, are you there? Jyoti K. Jyoti, are you there? Jyoti K. Okay, let me do one thing. I want to I want to talk to Jyoti, and your leads talk to you today. So make sure whatever the queries that you have, at least you can talk to them. I need response. Without this interaction, we cannot move forward with the session. This is a very basic thing that we need to have in manual testing, but going forward, there needs to be a lot of communication in the Selenium or whenever we are discussing about test automation. If you guys are not responding to my questions, then it's very complicated going forward. So let's have to be very interactive and try to understand the assignments what I have given. If you don't know or if you are not able to understand whatever the assignments that I have given, at least you can pose those questions to me in the next session, even that I am not able to get it. So I don't know why. So understand the questions. If you have any complexity in designing the test cases, let me know. Okay, make sure you have I'll be very mandatory, guy. It's a mandatory thing whenever we are having assignment. It's a mandatory thing to complete all the assignments. Okay, take one or 2 days extra. Don't that doesn't matter. But still, at the end of the day, what we need to see is the result. I'm not going to get any kind of reasons or explanations, but I still need to see all the assignments to be completed by all the team members. We are here to learn the new thing. So make sure you are going to have all the assignments in place and let me know, because it's a very basic kind of thing. If you said you don't have any questions during the explanation, at least you need to give a try. What is the functionality that related to the assignment? If you are not at least giving a try, means there should be some gap. Either it might be in your understanding or it might be in other areas. So what are those? What are the requirements for you? What are all the requirements that you have? Let me know, so that we can at least we can repeat the same concept again and we can go forward. If you need that, at least you can let me know. If you are not responding, I don't know. Jyoti, are you there? No, someone dropped, I guess. Okay, let me talk about one simple point, new point today, and then we'll see. Epic user story task. What is this epic? What is the user story, and what is task? How can we decide? How can we decide which one we are going to have in the real time, and where we are going to work? Whether we are going to work with task, or whether we are going to work with user story, or whether we are going to work with epic. So in which area we will be into? Okay, so epic, user story, and task. This is just a hierarchy that we have. So we cannot create task under epic directly. We cannot create user story under task directly. This is the hierarchy. If you have an epic, then only you can create the user story. If you have user story, then only you can create the task. This is the hierarchy that we are going to have in the real time. Basically, this hierarchy we are going to follow, especially in the agile model. Because agile model is completely a dynamic kind of criteria, right? So that's one of the main reason whenever we are getting dynamic changes, or whenever we are working on the sprint level, to track everything what we are working on, we are going to create this particular hierarchy in the tracking tool. What is the tracking tool that we are going to have? Jira or TFS or whatever the tracking tool the company is following. So whenever we are talking about agile model or the tracking tool what we are using, especially, so first epic will be created. Who is going to create the epic?
Test manager, test leads.
No, test. So I can say manager, that can be acceptable, but there is no concept of separate QA manager or test manager or test lead in the concept of agile model. So I mentioned only 4 roles that we have in agile model. One is stakeholder, product owner, development team, manager. Manager, I said product manager or project manager, but test manager or QA lead is not the separate role that agile model is going to follow. But it depends on the organization. If they want to keep, they can keep. Okay, but overall, to create the epic, out of these 4 only, one will take care of this one, either product manager or project manager or product owner. So either one of these two will create the epic first, because These two are the persons who knows the entire functionality what we need to implement in future. Okay, so if you are implementing this functionality today, this particular functionality or whatever the story that we have to take, or whatever the module or whatever the functionality or whatever the requirement that we have to take, product owner or product manager knows, I can say almost 1 month before or 2 months before, because they'll have all the requirements which needs to be implemented in future. At the end of the day, what is the deliverable that we have provided? That's a criteria that we are going to see. So once epic is being created, whenever we are working on this particular epic, user stories will be created. So it's a real-time example. First epic will be created. Now let's say I have one sprint started from today. Okay, in whatever the sprint that we are going to have from today, sprint duration will be either 2 weeks or 3 weeks, what I said. So whatever the sprint that we are into today, user story will be created under this epic. Is there any limit? Is there any specific number? How many number of user stories that we have to create in epic? There is no limit or there is no specific number, because it depends on the functionality, or it depends on the number of requirements that we have. We are going to create that many number of user stories if required. It might be 1 or 2 or 10. Okay, so if you create one user story, under this one user story you can create the task. User story means it's a kind of functionality where multiple tasks can be created. The task will be like developing a functionality, QA validation, documentation, and then issue retesting, defect retesting, or whatever. So all these are nothing but the tasks. Okay, dev completed, okay, one task completed. QA validation completed, another task completed. Documentation completed, another task completed. Report designing part completed, yes, another task completed. Automation execution completed, yes, another task completed. If all the tasks which are assigned to this user story are completed, then only I can say this user story is completed. If all the user stories in this epic are completed, then only we can say epic is completed. So this is the logic here. For example, epic 1 I have. In this epic 1, I have user story 1, user story 2, user story 3. And in this user story, I have task 1, task 2, task 3, task 4, task 5. Under this user story 2, I have task 1, task 2, task 3. Under this user story 3, I have only one task. I have two tasks here. Let's say if you want to tell this epic 1 is completed, then all these 3 user stories has to get completed. All these 3 user stories has to be completed. If you want to say all these 3 user stories are completed, then under this user story 1, all these 5 tasks has to be completed. Under this user story 2, all these 3. Under this user story 3, all these 2 tasks has to be completed. If all these tasks are completed, then only 3 user stories are completed. If all 3 user stories are completed, then epic will be complete. Understood? Here, task means it can be anything: development, test case design, test case execution, regression testing, QA validation, functional testing, test automation. Any task will be the task here. Okay, if you can say like, I have a requirement, I don't have the test case, I want to design the test case in this particular sprint, create that as a task in the user story. If test case design is completed, then your user story will be completed. Understood? Any questions? Okay. Jyoti, are you there?
Yes.
Okay. Jyoti, one thing today, two things, 2 points. One
Yeah, tell me.
is talk to the respective leads, and I
Yeah.
have given assignments to these guys. Okay. There are
Okay.
8 test cases where they have to design all these 8. Most of the folks have designed only 3, 4 and max 5. Okay. So few people have already completed all 8 and they are going to forward these documents to their leads. We need to gather all the documents from the leads and send it to me for the review.
Okay, sure.
And I have given that I have given the time by today end of the day. All the folks has to complete this particular task.
Yeah, done.
Okay. And second thing is, most of the folks during the sessions are saying they understood the concept and they are okay and they are able to understand what I'm saying. But when I'm asking the questions, they are not responding back with the answers. They are simply silent. Can you get the feedback from them if they have any queries, or can you ask their leads to get the at least inputs from them? Jyoti, if
One
you're talking, I'm
interaction
not.
section with them.
Yeah, you can just try to get that interaction session and let me know what is the feedback that you got.
Yeah.
Okay. And that's another thing. And third thing will be, once after their documents, once they send all these documents to their leads, at least you can ask the leads to create one drive link, so that at least they can upload to that drive. I can get all those documents.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll ask all the candidates to upload them in a drive, and
Sure,
I'll
please.
create a link with that.
Because this is the important task for me, because to analyze what are their capabilities and all, whether I need to repeat the concept or whether I can close this concept, I need to decide. So this is the important thing for testing activity. So you can talk to the leads and get back to me tomorrow morning. I'll get that feedback, and based on that I'll try to repeat the same concept if required.
Okay, sure.
Okay, I'm going to wind up the session today. You can talk to them and get the feedback from them and let me know.
Okay.
Yeah, guys, thank you so much. And you can talk to Jyoti and your leads and get the work to be done, and let me know if you want me to repeat any concept, even whatever the concept might be. Let me know. Thanks all. Yes.
సార్ నోట్స్ మీరు నోట్స్ ఇస్తా అన్నారు సార్ అది వాళ్ళు ఇంకా సెండ్ చేయలేదు మాకు.
I think it is already with the leads. You can talk to your leads and you can get it from them.
So if we get 10 notes, we will get more knowledge.
Yeah, you can talk to your leads.
Okay,
it is already with them, because I don't have permissions to send the documents to you directly, and I don't have any details of you. So that's, we have couple of layers here, so you can talk to your leads and you can get those documents from them. Okay. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Jyoti, want to continue in this session, or do you want me to end up and you can create another session with them?
I'll make another session for the candidates. No
Yeah,
issue.
please go ahead. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.